Hello, hello. It's Monday, race week, right? It's the holiday, Labor Day weekend. Happy Labor Day, y'all. Cher and I's 27th anniversary. Ironic, I didn't even think about it at the time when we got married that we were getting married on Labor Day. Yeah, figure it out yourself. So over at Richie's house, vacuumed it all up, cleaned it up, got everything straightened out. Sherry said, make sure you blow everything out. Make sure there's no spiders in here. I got a bomb. We'll set a bomb off in this thing, maybe tonight or tomorrow, whatever. It's not poisonous, so I mean you can literally go right in there and do your thing afterwards. But I think it takes like 3 hours to sit and then an hour with the doors open. So we'll wait. If it's going to be, it's not going to be raining or anything tomorrow, we'll go ahead and do that. But just stacking stuff up, repacking shelves, and haven't brought the whole pile of stuff from over at my house over here yet to load in, but making room for everything, taking out the emptied stuff or almost emptied stuff and reworking everything. So that's it. This is our beautiful doors. It's the other one that's got the really nice wood grain to it. There you go. It's got all the little, must be pine or something, right? Because it's got a little tiny pine branch marks on it. But we got all stainless hardware here for the doors. All the nuts and bolts, those little door props and stuff are all stainless, so we won't have to worry about them rusting or leaving gray rusty marks down the side of the trailer once we paint the white stuff. But, let me sit you down real quick. Right on the old box here. Hold on, folks, don't fall. I think what I'm going to do is end up making an adjustment to these doors. The middle, where the middle pinches down here, only sticks out less than the thickness of my finger, right? And out here, it's way deep, and it's because of these hinges. I bought the wrong hinges. It's completely my fault. The old hinge was welded on. This part was over here. Okay, I'm sorry. This part was over here. Why didn't we do that? Why didn't you just do that, Robert? Why didn't you drill and tap there? Because the doors then would only opened 90 degrees, and they'd lock. They'd hit the way these hinges are designed. So we had to move them this way so they would open all the way around. So now what we need to do is make some kind of booster plate that goes between the door and the hinge itself, a 1/4 inch plate or something, and that'll move it in 1/4 of an inch. We could take a bunch of that foam rubber out of there. I mean, that door sticks out, man, 1/2 inch at least. And I don't know, we made them the exact same thickness as the old doors, but they're so much more heavy duty that those other doors were so cheap. It's amazing. It's amazing they stayed on there for 25 years like they did. But it turned out good, man. I'm super duper happy with the back. We got to get up here and get this stuff painted. This stuff around the top. I've been talking about this for a week, and every time I plan to do it, we get a sky that looks like this, and there's a chance of it raining. And man, I get up here and sand and mask off, get my little scaffolding going, right? And I get primer and paint on there, and then it rains. Oh, Big Daddy not going to be happy. So I'd rather wait. I'd rather go to Gingerman with it the way it is, and then have to hump between Gingerman and Grattan. I think I'm making too big of a deal about painting the white part of this trailer blue, like my truck. Like it's some kind of hot rod that's going to be going to the SEMA show or something. It's just a beat up old trailer. Just paint it blue and put the clear coat on it, Robert. You know what the heck? I was really got myself worked up about it, and now, I don't care. It needs to be blue. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just get it on, get it done. And that's going to come fast and furious when we're all done over there at Gingerman. We probably won't even take the cart out of the trailer until we're ready to load up to go to Grattan in October, because the shifter cart won't be going. If everything works out. If we get everything figured out over there at Gingerman, there's really no reason to take it to Grattan and put more time on it for nothing. We'll be running the 4-banger and the Yama dog over there, but that's it. Been a full day. Got everything, you know, straightened up, cleaned up in there, so Brooklyn and Braden can crash out and have a good. They're so excited about going to the racetrack. I'm excited that they're excited. So that's it from here in RPM East. Literally a few hundred feet from RPM West. Race in Roseville, where we don't use the car wash. God bless y'all. Keep your chin up.